it. Number 5 is ELEGOO Mars 3 Pro 3D Printer. The ELEGOO Mars 3 Pro 3D Printer is a game-changer when creating model cars. Its Ultra 4K Mono LCD brings your designs to life with mind-blowing precision. Imagine printing intricate details at a high XY resolution of 35mm, making your models stand out. It offers exceptional printing quality, and the Mars 3 Pro boasts a larger build volume, giving you more room to unleash your creativity. Its dimensions, measuring 143 by 89 by 175 millimeters, are 40% larger than its predecessor, the Mars 2. But the greatness doesn't stop there. The Mars 3 Pro features a high-end COB light source that guarantees a uniform UV distribution for impeccable printing accuracy. And let's remember the comfortable printing experience. The built-in activated carbon keeps unpleasant odors at bay, while the FEP Films 2.0 help your prints stick to the build plate flawlessly. So if you want to buy the fast and reliable 3D printer, check out the link in the description box. That's all from us in today's video. Hope you enjoyed this overview of the best 3D printer for model cars. If you like any of these best 3D printers, then check out the link provided in the description box below to purchase them right now. Thanks for watching! And please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our Sublimation Focus channel for more amazing upcoming videos.